In 2023, I was lucky enough to visit a few places and got some amazing drone footage to share with you all. Based on the number of views on the Locationeer channel, I present my top 3 most viewed drone videos in 2023. These are the most viewed on my channel, and for good reason. You will see breathtaking views, beautiful landscapes, and historic sites. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. We kick off with Lindos, a picturesque village on the island of Rhodes in Greece. Lindos is known for its whitewashed houses and narrow streets. One of the most important archaeological sites in Greece, it dates back to the 10th century BC. Lindos has a stunning acropolis which overlooks the village and the sea, and features ancient temples and a medieval castle. It has 2 beautiful sandy beaches, Lindos Beach and St. Paul's Bay, which are popular with tourists and locals alike. Lindos is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and so enjoys protection for its cultural and historical significance. Next up is Birmingham, UK's second largest city and a hub of culture, history and innovation. Did you know that Brum, as it's affectionately called, has more canals than Venice? Me neither. Apparently the canals were used for transporting goods during the Industrial Revolution. Maybe I should change the title of my YouTube video on Venice. Birmingham is a city that combines the old and the new, the traditional and the modern, the urban and the green. It is the birthplace of the steam engine invented by James Watt in 1769. Home to over 200 nationalities, Brum is indeed one of the most diverse and multicultural cities in the UK. Full disclosure, I lived in Brum for a number of years, and so I'm chuffed to see that a lot of people find the city as fascinating as I did. Coming in at number 1 most viewed video is Costa Ade in Tenerife. Costa Ade is a coastal part of town on the island of Tenerife, one of the Canary Islands. It features two of the best water parks in Europe, Siam Park and Aqualand, as well as a zoo and botanical garden. After all, with fairly good weather all year round, why settle for winter in Europe when you could visit, enjoy delicious paella, and relax on one of its numerous beaches? It is a favorite holiday destination, helping the island pull about 5 million annual visitors. And that's it for my top 3 drone footage of 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about these amazing places. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more drone videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.